Hi, I welcome you to AB Mev Education. Here is Mr. AB once more again. Please, today is your first time, go ahead, subscribe, like it, and leave us a comment. Today we are looking at this rectangular shape over here, and we want to find the shaded part of it. This is part of the SAT questions. We are giving you all the hints, the tips, the secret, and the fastest way of solving it to get your maximum points. Here we know that from A to B is 40, and BC has been given us 16, but we know that this is a square. So since here is a square, that tells us that they have equal size. So here is 16, here is going to be 16, and here is also going to be 16. What I want to do is that I need the AE. The AE is the whole of this 40 minus 16, and that will give us 24. So we are going to get here to be 24. Once we get that AEFD is a rectangle. And how do we find the area of a rectangle? So the area of a rectangle is just the length times the width. The area of AEFD is going to be 24 times 16, and that will give us 384 units. They didn't give us either it's a meter or whatever, so it's just like that. So that means we have calculated the area of the entire rectangle here. Okay, if we can able to get this entire off, taken out, that will give us our shaded portion that we need. The shaded region is here. So if we can able to get this green part off, that will help us to get our shaded portion. That spot here, if we can able to take it off, that will help us, and that is of a rectangle. But remember, here is 45, here is 90, so that means here is going to be 45. So as you have learned your special right triangle, if you know the ratio associated with it, that can help you quick to actually get any length, any missing length, and then you can able to do it quick. So I have done a video on that. I will attach it to this video for you to review and refresh your memory on that. If that one doesn't work, you can able to use the trig ratios also to find it. So here, realize that here is also going to be 16, because BC is congruent to the AD. So as that one is 16, that means, as I said, so the special right triangle says that if we have associates 45 tag 90, then the ratio is just 1 tag 1 root 2. This is the basic. Okay, I will attach the video as I said. You want to find the area of triangle ADG. Okay, and that is going to be half of the base times height. So now we know the height, the perpendicular height, and we need the base here. But based upon this one here, since the AD is 16, is going to be 16 root 2. So here 2 is going to be 16 based upon that ratio. So if that is the case, then our area for that one is going to be half times 16, which is the base length, times the height, which is also 16. And if you do it, then we are going to get 128. We got all that information. Now what we have to do is that we have to subtract this from that to give us this shaded portion here. So for us to find that, for us to get that one, so for us to get that shaded, it's just going to be the rectangle AEFD minus a triangle ADG. Okay, we got the area for that to be 384 minus 128, and when we do the math, it will give us 256 as an answer. So this is the answer. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end. Please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. I wish you the best in your studies. I wish you the best in whatever that you're doing. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.